In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize pipeline stages in Pipedrive. This is a fantastic way to tailor your sales process so that it fits your unique business needs and workflow better. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. To begin with, you'll need to open up Pipedrive and navigate to the Deals section. You can find the Deals option in the left sidebar menu. Go ahead and click on that to get to where all your deals are managed. Once you're in the Deals section, if you're like most users, you might have multiple pipelines set up. Not to worry, Pipedrive makes it easy to select the specific pipeline you want to edit. Just look near the top of the page for a drop-down menu that lists all your pipelines and click to select the one you want to customize. Now that you have the right pipeline selected, it's time to go into the pipeline editing mode. To do this, look up at the top right of the page. You should see a little pen icon there. Go ahead and click on that icon to unlock the editing features for your pipeline. This will allow you to make all sorts of customizations to the stages of your pipeline. You might notice a list of stages that you currently have set up. Here's where the real fun begins. You can rename the stages to better fit your sales process. Just click directly on any stage name field that you want to change and type in your new label. When renaming these stages, it's best to keep them short, action-oriented, and logical. For example, you could use names like qualified, proposal sent, or negotiation. By using terms that matter to your team and process, you can create a clearer path for moving deals forward. Feeling good about the names you've chosen? Great! Now, let's make those changes official. Once you're happy with the stage names and how they fit into the overall flow of your pipeline, you'll want to look for that Save button, which is usually located at the bottom or top of the page. Click it to save all of the modifications you've made. And just like that, your updated stage names will take effect immediately across the pipeline. The best part? All your existing deals will still be in their correct places, just with the new labels you've chosen. That means you won't lose any data or context as you help your team and yourself work more effectively. Customizing your pipeline stages in Pipedrive can make a significant difference in how you manage your sales process, making it much smoother and more aligned with your goals. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of Pipedrive.